Hey guys, thank you and welcome back for another session, continuation of part one. Okay, so you wanted to say something about OB. Go on.
What, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. No, something important. See, OB, the book is same for class 1, 2, and 3. If you observe this one, it is not something which is hyped or like CBSE or IGCSE. See, the IGCSE or CBSE works on the same pattern given by Education Council of India. NIOS also works with the same pattern. If you can recognize the living things in standard 1, in standard 2, we can tell the names of the living things. And standard 3, we can see the physical appearance and features of the living things. So in NIOS combined, 3 information has been transferred. You can use that information for your learning stages. See, if I take CBSE book of my daughter, in class 1, they have given names of the what is a living thing, what does it do? That is in pattern. See, in second standard, they have given names like reptiles, animals, wild animals, or something like that. In third standard, what is the physical features or natural? This one they have this one. But in NIOS book, you can see everything in one book. You can learn according to your ability. Level B also, there is no specified or classified textbooks for this one. Yes.
So it's combined together. So this is one more thing. Like if you want to just for basic, if you want your child to make sure that they've given an exam and for something like like a TC that you need to change, put them to school. So if they're going to give a level A exam, they can as well just use that 1 year just before prior giving the exam and prepare and then give the exam for the examination sake.
Ma'am, when you enroll, you should go through this one. They will ask for which standard you are enrolling your child. So for that standard, they will provide marks card and TC. The textbook will be same, but the procedure is on the enrollment.
Okay.
So if you provide date of birth, and if you enroll for second standard, they will give second standard only. They don't. They will mention A and they will mention second standard also.
But the exam is the same, but the books are the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, examination is not same. The examination pattern also differs from enrollment.
No, level A. When I understand,
level A also, first standard child cannot write third standard exam.
Yeah.
NIOS don't give confusions in writing exams.
Okay.
But in learning, you can. This is the thing you have to learn in 3 years.
Okay.
So the teacher, the study center, the coordinator like me, who is in the other school, will simplify according to it. The NIOS has given separate instructions for coordinators or study centers how to conduct examination. According to rules of NIOS, we will conduct.
Okay, so
we don't conduct same level of examination for different people.
Okay, so if I understand correctly, are you saying that we can give an exam for class 1 also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
in our school we conduct exam for class 1.
As a private candidate, can we do that as a private candidate?
I don't think so, ma'am.
Yeah, so as a private candidate, you have to give level at 3rd standard, at 5th standard, and at 8th standard.
Yes, ma'am.
As a private. So you're talking about people who are.
Ma'am, certain things we have to follow about government. Certain things we cannot follow because see there is no standard examination in OBE level. But as in NIOS school, we refer at least some fear about fear and faith about studies. So we follow regular school practices with NIOS also, like projects work, homeworks, and worksheets have been given from NIOS only. So we follow certain. We have taken positive from regular schooling also, and we try to adopt, and we try to not give full freedom to unknown children. that they can misuse that freedom. To stop certain bad this one, we follow regular schooling also. We encourage to follow them for NIO students also, homeschoolers also.
There are the things that you're talking about when a child joins NIOS school, like as a school. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Whenever the parent comes to contact with me, PCP program, personal contact program on every Saturdays or Fridays, I insist on, yes, there is an exam. Please make your son or kid to learn these things. Because exam is not an ultimate factor, but the learning is the ultimate factor. I make them to learn and I make them to teach. NIOS exam, I don't think it is so necessary or so fearful thing in NIOS.
Suma, you're muted.
Sorry. So my doubts are clear for now. So as a private candidate, like if you're homeschooling, you can give level A, B, and C at the 3rd, 5th, and 8th level, and then NIOS at 10th and 12th level. Yes, as a private candidate, and these exams and the valid mark sheet is applicable to all major schools and colleges and universities.
Yes.
Okay, because it is recognized by Government of India. Okay, now let's go to the question. Guys, you can unmute yourself and start asking questions. Just raise your hand so that I can unmute. Or you can just unmute yourself and start asking a question. Go on, Pooja. Unmute yourself and you can start.
Hello, Vinay. Namaste. Hi, Suma. Okay, my child is a high IQ child. Like I'm saying not this with brag, but it's more like we have seen it. We have tested with psychiatrists and psychologists, and she's 7 years old, but she's happily and easily able to understand, retain, and remember, and also reproduce portions of grade 3, 4, and 5 in different subjects. In this case, like see, we always hear, right, there are some students who are really fast learners and who are like age 14 or 15 and they get into Yale, or I'm just giving Yale as an example, Yale or Oxford. So in that case, how can NIOS help me to, maybe expedite her, because she seems to get extremely bored and it's also arrogant if she's put with her own age group people. In that case, how can NIOS help me?
Ma'am, as your voice is something like triggering, I cannot.
I'm so sorry.
I understood a little.
Okay.
Could you please repeat the?
Yeah. Vinay, so the question is, her child is high IQ child. She's 7 years old, but she can memorize the portions of like a 3rd or a 4th standard child's curriculum. And she can retain and reproduce that. So she's asking how NIOS can help her child, or what steps should she take, or things like that.
So see, ma'am, it's a psychological issue. I suggest that you have to go with a medical professional advice. See, NIOS for hyperactive kids, LD, learning
hyperactive kid, IQ.
Yes, ma'am. Or fast learner, I can tell you. Gifted students, I can tell you. See, these kind of gifted or multi-talents, a child who can do 3 or 4 tasks at a time. So they have the ability to do those things at a time. The thing is, NIOS will help them, but without knowing the child attitude, I cannot tell you exactly how NIOS is going to work, because it is not professional ethics to misguide anyone.
No, not about misguide. Like, so if, like, does NIOS allow a 7-year-old to appear for a, say, for example, a grade 3 exam or a grade 5 exam?
7-year-old kid?
Yes.
I don't think you have to contact regional director at NIOS to have special permissions. He has the only right to do special this one, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
As a school coordinator, I have no information about that special status like that. I have seen NIOS student of 9 years who have cracked 10th exam. I have seen that one.
Wow.
I have heard that news also, but to me, I have not observed anything like that. You have to contact regional director NIOS for more.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vinay sir. Thank you, Suma.
Thank you.
So who's that next one who's raised hands? Another Pooja? Guys, if you have a question, please unmute yourself and go on. Ruchi, go on.
Hi. Vinay, you've mentioned about artificial intelligence. I was going through the website while you were talking, you and Suma. And could you help me understand how you are helping a child with artificial intelligence? Because I don't see that as a curriculum or a part of the curriculum here, you know?
Yes, they have introduced, ma'am.
So is it introduced by the study center is what you're telling?
No, by NIOS only, not by the study center. Study center has the right to introduce regional language books like Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, like that. They can prescribe their own books for NIOS to study. Other than that, we don't have any right.
Okay, so
I can share the information. See, as an NIOS coordinator, I know some information about virtual schooling, where you cannot see virtual schooling in anywhere in the website of NIOS. Artificial is also like that. It's a declared program, but I don't think it has been mentioned now. By January 1st week, it will be mentioned.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Artificial intelligence, robotics.
Yes, that's what I wanted to know.
Coding also, NIOS has been introduced. It's, better this one is you can contact the nearest study center or regional center where they will give full information. Or if you wait for another 10-15 days, I can give you full information on that. Artificial intelligence, robotics and coding.
That would be great. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Suma.
Hello, sir. Vinay sir, is this important? I mean, mandatory that we have to enroll, and I mean, my kid is of 6.5 years old. So, do I have to enroll him for NIOS and appear for the exam, or directly we can appear for the exam?
No, you have to enroll before the month of September now.
Before, okay, it's over now.
Or the study center, if they consider for enrollment, they can enroll without the knowledge.
How do we get the address of study center, nearby study center?
So if you visit the NIOS website .nios.ac.in,
okay,
you will get the full information about it.
I mean, I have checked. I am unable to find the nearest place from.
Where do you stay, ma'am?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, there are around 73 schools in Hyderabad.
Okay, do I have, I mean, can I contact you directly for this information?
Yes, ma'am.
How could I?
Call me after this one.
Okay, thank you.
Most of this study center information is on the website. When you go to NIOS website, there's a place where it asks, where is icon says study center. You just click on it. It asks you few details, you know, what exam, OB or, you know, higher level exam, or you just click that and which region, which state, which country, and then you do get the information about the study center.
Oh, thank you. I'll do that. I'll just check that.
Yeah, no issues.
Okay, I have one question.
Go on.
Yes, I'm Satish from Mumbai. So my question is normally once the child like studies and he grows up and he applies for any job, so they check his like certificates, and they normally ask for 10 plus 2 plus 3. Like that is normal like degrees, right? Normal they check 10th, 12th and the graduation certificate. So and that too from a regular school. So my question is, will NIOS be considered as a distance learning format, or is NIOS accepted? So that is my main question.
So let me give you one clarity, sir. The government of India has mandated that education qualification as 10 plus 2 plus 3. It has never mentioned open schooling or regular schooling. So if the opposite person or the employer, if he asks for marks card, he will ask for marks card only. It is his personal choice whether he will consider it or not. But the government of India has given full clarity on this, that NIOS students should be supported and should be considered. If I don't like someone or something, I never support those things.
Okay. And we have study centers in Mumbai, Thane. Like any idea?
Yes, you can see on this one.
Okay. Okay. So we can contact you, right? Just if we don't find on the website, can we contact you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Information is provided on the website. Okay? I mean, even if you contact Vinay would not know every study center everywhere.
I'm sure.
Closest to you. So it's always better to, check on the website, and there is clearly, you just have to do a little bit of DNA for 5-10 minutes and you will find the study center closest to you.
Yeah, I
She is
will.
right. Suma madam is right. Every information is given on the website only.
Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, hello, Suma ma'am. Hi, Vinay sir.
Thank you.
Actually, I have a doubt regarding language options.
Yes.
Right now, we reside in Bangalore, but if we want our kid to take Telugu as a language option, can it be done?
See, ma'am, you can take Tamil also, no issues. Punjabi, Oriya, Bengali, everything. But I don't know, the study center will have that tutor to teach you.
Okay.
Because I have student of Bengali, their parents are old responsibility to teach Bengali to them. I don't consider, I don't conduct exam also for Bengali this one. I
Okay.
take one of the regional centers help, and I bring the this one question paper, and I conduct exam of Bengali, and I don't know how to correct it also. That is the reality. If I have a Malayalam student, if I see that Malayalam language, no, so I don't know where to start, what is right and what is wrong. So if you want that regional subject specification, as a homeschooler, it is full responsibility of you. As a study center, we can give the question paper to you, but we cannot correct it also. That is a major issue in that.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, Vinay sir. Thank you.
So I just have a question here. So when we write an exam, it's the regional center's duty to correct the examination paper.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go on.
Hello, sir. This is Meena.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I have two doubts. If there is an exam for grade 5, then where will get the exam date? Through mail or I have to check website, sir?
Ma'am, see, the NIOS information given on the website is genuine. It is genuine. See, sometimes we don't get back to that website for another 1 week or 10 days. We don't get so much information. But you, depending on the website of NIOS, I recommend you do it personally once in a week for more genuine information.
Okay.
Don't
The
depend
question
on
papers are different from center to center, sir?
what, ma'am?
Question papers. Is it different from center to center?
Regional language question, because see, DPS will take their own textbook on Kannada. In our school, we take CBSE Tili Kannada. That means light Kannada learning. So it depends on the center, ma'am.
So
Alamina will
I have
take
to follow that.
first language of Kannada of Karnataka State Board.
Okay.
But English, Maths, Social, it never differs.
Okay.
So the core subjects examination paper comes from NIOS, and it's same for all regional centers and all throughout the India.
Okay. Actually, I registered last year, but no one contact from centers, sir. I have
They
to
will
check
not contact
website.
you.
That's all, no?
They will not contact you. You have to go. They have given you study center name, no?
Yes, sir.
You have to visit the study center name, and you have to visit NIOS coordinator or NIOS faculty there, and with them, with a smile, If you ask, if you have any doubt, if you ask, they will give full details about NIOS.
Oh, I have to personally have to go on this.
Yes, yes. At every November, they will start a PCP program. Not before November, at November.
Okay.
Last month, we have started PCP program. In PCP program, we will meet parents and students once in a week. We give full support for them.
Sure, sir.
There are
Thank you, sir.
37
We
parents.
learned a lot of information from you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. And one more last question, sir. For grade 5, when is the exam, sir? This year?
They will tell on website, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
So just one question. So this PCP program will start every year twice, like before the admission.
What, ma'am?
Does this PCB, the parent, what is that PCB, parent meeting?
Parents contact, personal contact program.
Personal contact program. Does it happen twice in a year? Every time before the admission?
See, for 10th and 12th, the PCP program is different. For OB, PCP program is different.
Okay.
The PCP program will happen for a period of 3 or 4 months.
Okay. So
when you apply for 10th standard, when you apply for October exam, it will start from July, August, September or October.
Okay.
So if you go for OB, it's in 1 year academic course, it will start from November.
Okay. Okay, so yeah.
If you go to, if you get enrolled with the NIOS, there is an option called as dashboard option. So if you go out to that dashboard, you will get important message. It is an automated message by NIOS regional centers. Personally, they will allot a school. Personally, they will allot a school and they will allot the person name with phone number. You can contact that NIOS coordinator or name and with phone. You can fix an appointment and you can visit.
This is to make our the exams that we're giving easier.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone else, any questions? You can raise your hands and you can just unmute yourself and ask.
So actually, when we try to find study centers in Bangalore for OBE, it says that no centers are found nearby.
No centers are not found nearby. Where do you stay, ma'am?
Marthalli, sir.
Marathalli.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Sindhya school in Hebbal, DPS school in Marathalli have OBE centers, ma'am.
Okay, DPS school in Marthalli, sir.
Yes.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Is there any doubt?
Sir, my name is Umesh. One question.
Yes, yes,
is there any kind of a group for these students who are enrolled in, like group as in they can meet together somewhere and exchange, do some is there anything
very
like
good
that?
Question, sir. Very good question. Suma Madam is offering those kind of activities on Facebook and everywhere. So if you contact Suma Madam, she will nicely help you and guide you.
Okay.
See, she's very active on Facebook. I have seen her information shared. She coordinates everything. You better contact Suma Madam for more details.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Are you a homeschooler?
Are you asking me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I mean, my son, we recently came from abroad, and my son, we are planning to enroll him for NIOS.
Okay, where do you stay? Bangalore only?
Banishangri second stage.
Okay, in Bangalore, we do have homeschoolers meetup happening every once in a month, but now it's stopped because of COVID. It might start. You will have homeschoolers around Banishangri also. And you can.
Yeah, we need some help to connect him because he will do self-study, but he also needs some to meet some students of the same age and all, right? So once in a while.
Homeschoolers, you can just message me. We can put you in the group, or there's lots of Facebook groups also. We can go ahead.
Very good. Great. Thanks.
Yes, guys, we are almost, we finished 1 hour. So if anyone else have any question, we can take a couple of them and then finish it.
Yeah, I have one question. Can we create a WhatsApp or Telegram group just for updates? Is it possible?
See, these are all the things which becomes cumbersome because no one knows what, because there are lots of people on WhatsApp and lots of group. So NIOS is the best website that that can give you any and every information. Like, it is very simple. It keeps giving you a lot of information. All the new, all the updated information will be coming on top of as soon as you open the website. So I think that's the best source of information that you can get.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
That's all for today, ma'am.
I have a question, please. So my daughter is 6.5 years now. So when can I register now? Like, how old should she be to register for OBEA?
Ma'am, let me tell you the truth. Hello.
Yeah, yes, please.
I don't recommend anyone below 7.5 years for homeschooling. Or
For
8 years.
exam, for the NIOS exam?
Yes.
OBE exam? Okay.
Yes. Unless your child is ADHD hyper, she has been inserted in school, some bad experiences or some financial crisis. I don't recommend for under 8 years for NIOS. I don't recommend parents to become professionals like teachers. For if they opt homeschooling, the homeschooling methods are very different compared to regular schooling. We know the information about regular schooling, and we try to apply the same information or same methods in homeschooling. It actually doesn't work. It will make the children confused, and they may become more arrogant. So homeschooling methods are different. Regular schooling methods are different. Don't apply regular schooling methods in homeschooling. If you go to expert opinion in NIOS, this one, what website, expert opinion, they may ask some questions or they may suggest some methods. Please follow NIOS method for NIOS learning. I surely suggest that an important notice for any parent. Because now some parents may have what happens in school ideas, how to teach and how to teach, but it doesn't work with the homeschooling concept. Because from morning 7 to evening 10 o'clock, you should be occupied with your child. You should be a parent, you should be a guide, you should be a teacher, you should be a friend. Everything should happen. Sometimes it will become very, what I can tell, difficult to handle at some situations. So when you follow NIOS guidelines or NIOS instruction, it is easy to understand and to help homeschooling.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, I had one more question. These books for NIOS, I mean, my son is has not yet reached 14 years, so he's 13, close to 14. So after he registers only, he will get the books, right? So is there a way he can get these books before that by paying, the fees or something like that?
To pay, sir. NIOS is giving free education, sir. If you go to NIOS website and download the study material, nothing will happen, sir.
No, the downloading we have done. But sometimes, this throughout the day in front of the laptop or iPad, instead of that, we wanted to see if we can get the actual books, physical books. Is it possible to get?
How we can get it, sir?
No, why don't you download the books and take the printout of the PDF? Then you don't have to make your child sit in front of the computer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We will do that. We will do that and make that. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so Vinay, can you just tell me your number so that everyone who wants your contact number can contact you? 988
60
1 second. 988 60
40 641.
641. Okay, guys, that's the contact number. I've also sent on the message. You guys can see it. Did I send it to someone? Wait 1 second. Okay, I think that's done. So yeah, I've sent the number. So I think all your doubts are cleared. Umesh, you have a question? I see your hands raised now. Or did you finish it? Okay, I think all the questions are done. So yeah, then all you can do is if you want most of the information about NIS, just go to their website. You can find each and everything. There's a search button there. Even if you want the study center, just type that and all the information will come. And number two is always, as soon as you find a study center closer to your home, it's better to go talk to the study center coordinator before you even, select that for your child's exam, isn't it? It's always best to talk to your study center and know, how the study center is and how they can coordinate with you. So these are the two things that you can do. Any other questions, you can always ask Mr. Vinay to help with.
Important notice, I will be not available on the phone after 6 o'clock every evening because I am conducting NIOS tuitions. I will be active there. I will be not present after 6 o'clock.
So these tuitions you conduct for like us homeschoolers who want extra help if for any subject?
Yes, for 10th standard and 12th standard, we conduct exams. For those who are failed in regular schooling, we enroll them for NIOS and we conduct classes for them. So important notice that I can't receive phone after 6 o'clock.
Okay, that's wonderful. So if anyone comes up with where they want to learn extra for 10th or 12th, we can always give you a number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine. So thank you so much. It was wonderful talking to you. A lot of information, and we will keep in touch. And if any other discussions, we'll surely have.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, and lots of people thanking you. So
I congratulate everyone, those who have participated in this meeting. Wonderful meeting you. I don't know, these much people are interested in homeschooling throughout India.
what happened? Vinay, you're on pause.
Pause.
Now, yeah, go on.
Homeschoolers are increasing in India by 2 to 8% every year. This year, 350,000 children have enrolled for NIOS. Yes, there is bright future for NIOS. You can take support from NIOS. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye guys, see you all in the next meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.